Techno update. Subscribe now.
Nokia 8110 4G review, hands-on with the reimagined Matrix phone. Nokia is at it again, pulling at our heartstrings with the reimagined Nokia 8110 4G. Nokia's 3310 relaunch last year was a surefire hit, pulling at the heartstrings of nostalgic owners of the almost 18-year-old indestructible phone. The success of the 2017 redo was never in question. Never mind that I wasn't all that impressed when it did launch. But, flash forward another year, and another MWC Tech conference is here. And Nokia, under the watchful eyes of Finnish firm HMD Global, is back with another modern reimagining of a beloved phone from the pre-smartphone era. This is the Nokia 8110 4G, a phone that you might remember from the Matrix movies. Design, key features and first impressions. Like I said, the Nokia 8110 4G is a phone for hopeless nostalgics. The design, well, that's pretty much in keeping with the original's banana-like appearance. In fact, Nokia knows how silly it looks, and is launching it in banana yellow. Like its namesake, there's a cover that hides the numeric keypad, although this isn't spring-loaded, as the mechanism adds extra bulk and weight according to HMD. And, given its slightly different name, this new Nokia 8110 is 4G enabled. Why would you want this on a non-smart feature phone, you may ask? Well, Nokia wants its customers to use this as a 4G hotspot or, alternatively, scroll through your Facebook feed with the dedicated app. Likewise, Snake has slithered its way back. Although, and this was our biggest qualm with last year's 3310 reimagining, it's not the same Snake as you remember. Instead, it's colorful and there are a few challenge levels to keep you satisfied. Rather than sticking with the original, Gameloft has tinkered with Snake's simplicity a little too much for my liking. What you also get with the 8110 4G is 90s levels of battery life. Nokia says you can expect up to 20 hours of standby time, and 8 hours of talk time over 4G networks. Nokia 8110 4G review, UK release date and specifications. 2.4 and QVGA display. Dual-core 1.1 GHz Qualcomm MSM8905. 512 MB RAM. 4 GB of storage. 2-megapixel rear camera. Non-Android, feature phone. Part of Nokia Originals. 20-day standby time. Banana yellow and black.